Let's go for the axle dump look there, bud. Yeah, how about it? Got that piece of shit off of there, and yeah, that just ain't gonna cut it, so figure something out. Sure as fuck ain't spending any money on it. Like a wise man once said, you just gotta piss with the cock that you got. So, don't got no fancy tools here for this, but I'll show you what we'll do to cut out these pie shapes here. Let's send it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at fucking beauty. Oh yeah. Oh, she's gonna be a fucking champ. Mind you, it's so thin, I don't think this will last past winter, but that's alright. Still gonna send it. Alrighty, the methods here are improving. Gotta start with the outside. Got this fancy buck knife here, special from Ukrainian Tire. She's fucking cutting mint. Oh yeah, look at that. Did I mention that's on the line? Fucking perfect execution. Alright, I won't bore you anymore. Oh, shut the fuck off. Well, dang, I'd say that worked out not too bad. Alright. Got the uptake side, intake. Flow right through that fucker. Alright, now you're gonna want to grab your assortment of fucking prime brand used hose clamps here. Fucking nothing but the best. And maybe we'll fit 2 of these cocksuckers on those tabs. Give her the real squeeze. Hell yeah. Alright. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, fuck yeah, she'll go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Stay tuned. Fuck yeah. Well. This sassy pants fucking unit. Now that is an axle dump. Hell yeah. He's on there pretty fucking good too. I am happy with it. Fuck yeah. Unfortunately, it's getting pretty late, so we'll have to wait till tomorrow to see what it sounds like. Well, I just had a pretty slick idea. Gonna make myself some restrictor plates out of lids. Let's see, I think the stock Dodge size is... Oh, this one won't do fuck all. We need a good seal for sure. Oh, fuck. Garbage. The washer and nut slid. Yeah, that's a good one. This is a good one. Okay, we'll start with a 3-inch. Try that. I'm just gonna fucking wing it. What am I talking about? Oh, yeah. Alrighty. Pretty fucking sassy. We'll try sticking that on the end and see if it keeps it quiet. We'll flash it up like that. See if it stays on. And go from there. Also, I was just kidding about not firing it up tonight. Hope you didn't get your panties in a bunch. Here we go.
Well, holy fuck, staying on there. And I think it's quite a bit quieter. Oh yeah! Woohoo! I know what I'm using in the mornings when I gotta warm this bitch up. If I'm in a hurry, I'll just blast it off on the way into town. can always get another one. I got shit tons of these cans.